In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoticons in Outlook. If you use the Windows desktop app, there are a couple of quick, reliable ways to add emojis to your messages, and I'll walk you through each one clearly. Start by opening Outlook and creating a new email, or reply to an existing one by clicking New Mail or Reply. Make sure the message window is active and that you're working in the email body. Placing your cursor is important, because the emoji will appear exactly where the cursor sits, just like a normal character. If it lands in the wrong spot, don't worry, just move the cursor or delete and try again. Now for the fastest method. Press Windows key plus period, or Windows key plus semicolon. Both shortcuts open the Windows emoji panel. You'll see a set of tabs and categories, including smileys and people, animals, food, activities, and more. Use your mouse to scroll and click an emoji to insert it, or type a keyword in the search box. Try something like smile, thumbs up, heart, or check to jump straight to what you need. You can also navigate with the arrow keys and press enter to insert. If the emoji supports skin tones, you'll see options near the top so you can pick the one you prefer. Keep the panel open to add multiple emojis. Each click inserts another one in line with your text. When you're finished, close the panel by clicking the X in the corner or pressing escape. From there, keep writing as usual. Emojis behave like text, so you can add spaces, move them with cut and paste, or remove them with backspace. On most modern systems they'll appear in color, though your recipients might see slight variations depending on their device and email settings. There's also an alternative method directly in Outlook. With your message open, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Emoji if you see that option. It opens a picker you can browse and insert from. If the emoji button isn't available in your version, choose Symbols, then More Symbols, and set the font to Seagull UI emoji. That lets you browse the emoji characters and insert the ones you want into your email. A quick etiquette tip: use emojis to add tone, warmth, or clarity, but go easy in formal or external communications. Pick simple, universally understood icons to ensure your message reads well everywhere. That's all you need to start inserting emoticons in Outlook on Windows. Try it out in your next email to add personality and clarity. Thanks for watching.